doesn't understand it. What's the worst that could happen?
Nice frosty cream cold brew today. Choose glasses. Choose one.
Students, the Richmond Spiders taking on the main Blackberry Saturday October 7th at 3
More transparency at every step. One place that doesn't sell your tracks to market makers. Because it's the one place that's committed to putting investors first. All of your investing, all in one place. Let's get up to $10,000.
Fox News alert just seconds ago, all of our phones went off, and they're supposed to go off across the country in the next half hour. Warning signal set out to television, radio, and cell phones. Nothing to worry about, though. It is just a test, only a test, of the Federal Emergency Alert System being conducted by FEMA and the FCC. Stephen Cotton is live in New York City with what you need to know. And we had a little premature activation here of our CB. I don't know if yours went off yet or not.
Hi, John. Yeah, we did. That was FEMA testing the integrated public alert and warning system. And John, yes, my phone went off early too. A little bit of a surprise. That's the iPause system. And this, FEMA wants to test to make sure this is still effective at notifying the public of a widespread disaster or a national emergency. And again, we got that notification to our phone with that loud tone and vibration. And if your cell phone was on silent, you probably still got that notification. Again, the message, it should have said, this is a test, and I'm just looking at it right now. It says, if you can be right.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Couple of minutes ago, and you know, John, natural disasters are not the only time we get these kinds of warnings.